Hey guys, Tony here. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on FUNKO and where I think it's actually headed. Currently, it's actually retesting the 711 price point right now. If it keeps retesting this, it actually already crossed into bearish territory for the MACD on the 1 hour. On the 4 hour, it's actually still pretty bullish. You guys know that I don't like assuming that we're gonna head into bearish territory or weakening bullish territory. As long as we still see these green MACD candles, at least in my opinion, we're always going to be bullish because we can always rebound off this and go straight up. So in my opinion, the 4 hours is still bullish, and for the day, we are still pretty bullish too. Like, there's no reason for us to fall. But on the 1 hour chart, we are looking like it's gonna be dropping back around the 646. We're looking like we are gonna drop back to the 646 range, especially on the 1 hour. Last time we actually crossed this point, we fell all the way back up to 596. If we do drop back to 596, I'm probably gonna, if my shop swing actually goes into where I wanted to go, I'll probably sell all of that and put it into FUNKO so I can actually play it through the holidays. So currently with shop, I think I have about a 6K swing position. I'm looking at exiting out at like $600 profit. Currently I am up about $100. But I am gonna be looking to take profit when Shopify hits like $1,036, I think. But if that does go through, I'm probably gonna sell my Shopify swing and come back into FUNKO, but only if it actually goes past this and goes back to 646. So at 646, I'll probably put a buy limit for $3,000, and if it drops down lower, I will probably do another buy limit for 596, and I don't think it's going to drop lower than the $6 mark. I do think there is a big chance that we might retest, especially right now. That it is, we are creating these really big bear candles on FUNKO. So I do think it might drop all the way back down to around $6. But if that's not the case, like I said, I'm probably gonna start buying around the 646, 650 level. And then if we drop lower, I'm probably gonna buy around the 6 level. And then I think we're still gonna rebound because on the day chart, we are still looking pretty bullish. And yeah, I mean, just a quick update, just a quick technical analysis on FUNKO. It seems like we're gonna keep going down. On the 1 hour, we actually already crossed the MACD for bearish territory, and that's why you guys can see this, this whole way down from like $7.70. We're dropping pretty good. So I do expect us to go back to the 650, maybe retest around there, depending on where the hour chart is, and then go back up to the $7. But if we don't, we might go back down to $6, and that's probably when I'll probably go all in and purchase there. So I'll see you guys later.